Good evening, everybody. Just going to do my trade recap for Tricktrades chat room and screen share. Uh, Took kind of quite a few trades today, but I mean today was just one of those days that no matter what I did, everything just worked out really well. The market was really good for shorts today. Um, the first trade I took right out of the watch list and pretty much right out of the gate was CAMT short. Let me get this zoomed in a little bit here. Let me pull up my trade aggregator here and order history. Da, da, da. Okay, first trade at it was 7:45. I got short and basically just rode it all the way. I believe my first cover here was. Where are you? Shit. 712. That's right. Yeah, I wasn't sure if this was going to be able to. There was some really heavy support here. So as soon as it bounced here, I ended up taking it off. Just got out right in here. It was finding some support on the daily, so I decided to take that off. Unbeknownst to me, I mean this thing washed hard today, hard. But I did take another trade on it, right in here. That's right, right in this channel. So I got short right in this area right before it started going down, and then I rode it all day. I rode the rest of it all day, and I took it off right in this area. My cover was, I think it was 47. Average price, no. Yeah, it would have been right in that area anyways, guys. I mean, I took a few trades. So, yeah, CAMT. Yeah, it was right in this area. As soon as it started bouncing, I got out. So it was completely perfect scenario. Really good two trades on this. It would have been nice to catch it the whole way down, but Dante and I were talking about this in chat. I mean, he has a blog post about being perfect, about this type of situation, about picking tops and picking bottoms. And I mean, and I've mentioned this before in some of my videos. I mean, picking tops and bottoms, it's a loser's game. You'll beat the shit out of yourself constantly. You'll miss out on a bunch of plays. It's like, just put the trade on, manage your risk, and that's it, right? And cover or sell when you can. My next trade was WLL. This was a pretty good trade. I didn't make a lot of money off of it. I again, one of those, I wish I would have held on a little bit longer. Mentally, I felt very strange this morning. I seemed to be kind of out of it. So I mean, I didn't want to get too aggressive. I started feeling better throughout the day. The oil numbers were out, and this happened. So I caught it. I was whipping through a whole bunch of oil charts and just looking for the best setup. And I came across WLL, and I got short right in here. I think it was 47 was my average on this one. And then just, I think, how long did I hold that one for? Yeah, because I held through the first. It climbed back a little bit. Yeah, it was right in this area I covered. So I mean, it was a small trade, but it was a good trade nonetheless. But I mean, look, I mean, this washed fucking hard, man. Um, you know, 30-40 cents from where I got in. So definitely my timing was off a little bit today, but the trades were really good. My next trade was JD short. And I got short right in here. Let me see if I can find this entry quickly, guys. JD. JD short. 41.22. That's where I got short. So yeah, right in here. Yeah. It was right before it dumped. So yeah, I got short and then instantly it dumped and then it came back, but I wasn't my target was around the VWAP, right? So that was my target. I wanted this back to VWAP. So it just washed and it bounced up and down and up and down. And then as soon as it came to this, I drew some trend lines to watch it to see where its squeeze point was. Highly predictable. It ended up squeezing instead of breaking down, so I covered. Should have flipped around long biased on it as soon as it went, and then I could have caught, like about 20 cents or so of upside at its best. So I could have played both sides, and I do that from time to time, but that's fine. So I took that, and then right at the end of the day, I'd already logged off of screen share and everything, and I was just kind of hanging out at my desk doing some paperwork, and Mossy fucking ramped again, man. I saw this run up, right? And I ended up catching the pullback in here. No, sorry, right in here. Yeah, because it was just after hours. It was kind of ramping up again, and it was just looking so good. So I ended up catching it, and I just covered just now. I just kind of got back to the desk here. So I just covered for a nice little gain of roughly, now I don't have anything. It was about 25 cents or so. This is going to be on heavy fucking watch tomorrow. We haven't had a runner in a long time. Now, I'm not saying it's going to continue because I am going to locate shares on this as well. But I will be watching this one really hard. This has been an animal in the past couple of days. Since yesterday, I think it's about 180% or something like that. No, sorry, 230. That was just today. So about 230% in the past couple of days. I do expect a pullback. It has filled the gap on the daily as well here and has pulled back. So, it went a little bit above. Regardless, though, that's beside the point. This has a huge amount of volume. There's a lot of chasers in this, so once it starts kind of going down, people are going to dump. And but like I said, though, watch out, respect price action on this one, because this, it's a former runner, and we're right into some resistance areas, but this thing can take off. And we haven't had a major runner in a long time, so this thing could squeeze hard. So we'll be watching a bit anyways. This is the trade recap. I'll get into my watch list after. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the box below, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.